Sentry 10V with the WX Radio Collector and SBC Colorado. We'll be doing this off.
I'm gonna get outside and start recording, dude. I hate when you sit inside and wait. 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
I think Trumbull County. Trumbull County goes off 1 minute later. Yes, Trumbull County goes off 1 minute later, guys.
Start recording then.
I am recording.
Oh my god. Bro, what are you doing, Boardman?
Getting this thing ready.
I hear something.
I hear T128s.
Borman, you suck at this, dude. Come on.
Come on, Sentry. Go
Whatever.
on. Bro, this Sentry won't go off. Was this a fail?
What are you doing sitting? Oh my god, bro.
I'm waiting for it to go
Well,
off.
the siren test is ruined.
It's not even going off.
The siren test is ruined.
That was an epic
Dude.
fail. Bruh. Oh my god. Come on, 10V. Just go off. There we go. That's good.
Yeah, but you
Alright, that bothers me, bro. Just sits in the car waiting for it to wind up. That ruins the wind up. Like, bro, they literally go off at exactly 12 o'clock. Like, why bro wait outside? But why does bro not wait outside?
They go off a couple minutes earlier or after.
I just ordered a tripod for our siren test.
I gotta fix my tripod.
What siren are you gonna go
I have a
to?
tripod, but I never use it.
Come on, camera. There we go. Yes, sir.